Today I'm going to be doing a test with the DIY cells. I have a little temperature probe taped to the bus bar here, and I'm actually on this test going to use the busing that comes with the battery that I send with it. It does have included busing, so I just wanted to go ahead and get a retest because when I tested it before I was just using some bus bars that I had laying around, not the ones that we were actually going to include with the kit. So I'm going to go ahead and see what we can do. Okay, I just got the cells charged up and ready to do the test. Right here we have the time and the temperature of the bus bar. I'm going to start the test at 1 minute in, and I'm going to run it for 15 seconds. "15-second burst, well over 250 amps, in a tiny footprint. I don't think these can be beat right now." I'm going to start the test at 5:10. Well over 250 amps for 30 seconds sustained for over 30 seconds. I'll post the chart.